I have received an overwhelming response on my YouTube trainings in English for freelancing, digital marketing, social media marketing, blogging, and other computer related skills. This response has convinced me to create a video and tell you guys that I am actually creating different playlists for all the trainings I have conducted, because some of the comments I've seen, people are complaining that the videos are lengthy and it is not possible, especially for mothers, to go through 2 hours long training. So in order to cater all that demand, I've decided to create short videos for all these different skill set I've been teaching online every single day for a couple of hours at least. By the way, if you are watching this video for the very first time, we schedule different trainings on every single day and try to teach people about the importance of making money on the internet. Pandemic has fueled freelancers and the gig economy is on a rise. And when I say pandemic has fueled freelancers, I essentially refer to their self-employment, finding more opportunities online, getting more projects on different freelance marketplaces. Bloggers are on demand. YouTubers' demand has increased. The demand for digital products has also increased. And there's a huge opportunity for each one of you, regardless of the country you belong to, regardless of your background and cultural background. Everything is irrelevant in the age of internet. This is a new era, folks. People are finding different ways of making money, and one of the most amazing way of making money is internet. Learn a skill or two. Offer that skill as a freelancer in different marketplaces. Learn how to write. Establish your own blog. Learn how to find low competitive keywords so that your blog gets ranked for your business related keywords. Learn how to face camera. Pick up your smartphone, turn on your front cam, record a video, perhaps a vlog, open a YouTube channel, upload your video. Sooner or later, you will realize that this is one of the best decisions you have ever made in your life. Internet is for real, folks, and making money on the internet is a reality. As a freelancer who has made over $1 million in sales on one of the world's largest marketplace called Guru.com, I could not emphasize the importance of working on the internet and making money. I see you in the different playlist, inshallah.